Hey, Lynette here, and these are the full BoxyLuxe spoilers for the month of September from my subscription addiction. As always, we'll have the full list of each product in the description box below, so let's get into those spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you think of the BoxyLuxe spoilers for September? Are you interested? Are you liking it? Are you loving it? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and of course, as always, make sure that you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Have a good day, guys.